I'm Susan. Today I'm showing the journal I made for Dephemerember, and it's hosted by Luise Heinzl and Barbara of 49 Dragonflies. And I've never done this challenge before, so I didn't really decorate the pages yet. Kind of get a feel for what it is. I know that their journals were, had tuck spots and stuff like that, but I figured I would do that as I went along. But I've got my pages in. I got this material at Habitat for Humanity, and I got all of this for 50 cents, and I was so happy because I thought it was beautiful. It's kind of like an upholstery fabric, and I just added the trim onto my spine. I've got a 5 signature journal, and I just added in at least 6 pages, probably more than that, the signatures. So I've got more than 25 for sure. And I used a lot of Luise's digitals and some scrapbook paper I had. I was going to get some from Barbara as well, but her webpage doesn't accept my debit card, and she said it would only be credit card, and and I don't have a credit card. I just use my debit card, and she doesn't accept PayPal, so I wasn't able to get hers, unfortunately. But I love the ones I got, and I just got some coffee dyed paper, some parchment, some of my jelly prints. I just added all kinds of bits and pieces in here, and I can't wait to get started. As I said, I know that they had tuck spots and stuff in theirs, but I'll add mine as I go along. I am just excited to do this, and I hope y'all will be patient with me, and we'll just enjoy this together. And I did sew along the edge of some, and to make it easier on yourself, don't forget to sew it before you put it into your journal like I did. So, but I got it done. And I got some deli paper that I had used underneath some of my spraying and stuff that I was doing. So, I've got music and just whatever I could find that I thought went with it. So, and I just used sari silk for my closures. So I hope you like this journal. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload content. Be sure and check out Luise's and Barbara's channel at Luise Heinzl and 49 Dragonflies, and be sure and watch Dephemerember. So until next time, bye y'all.